this video, I want to show you how to calculate the monthly mortgage payment after making a down payment. Alright, so this reads, Jack is purchasing a house selling for $265,000. A 15% down payment is required. He takes out a 30-year mortgage at 6% interest. What is his down payment and what is his monthly mortgage? So first we want to calculate his down payment. We have $265,000. We want to find 15% of that. You simply multiply it by 0.15. That's just a 15 divided by 100. So we change the percent to decimal. 165,000 times 0.15. And that gives us 39,750. So that's the cash he needs to come up with for his down payment, 39,750. Now his loan amount, you're going to subtract that from the 265,000. And that will be how much he needs to take out in loan to pay for the rest of the house. That's going to be 225,250. Okay, so that's going to be his loan amounts. Now we need to figure out the monthly mortgage payment. So we can see here the payment is equal to PV, present value, times the rate, interest rate, divided by how many times a year we're going to be paying it. It's going to be 12, so N is 12, all over 1 minus 1 plus interest rate divided by how many times a year, raised to the how many times per year times how many years. So we look at here, R will be the interest rate in decimal, so 6 divided by 100 or 0.06. N is how many times a year that we're paying. So we're doing it monthly, so it's going to be 12. And T is the number of years, 30-year mortgage, so it's going to be paid over 30 years. Now we're going to plug in our numbers. So present value, that's the amount the loan is for. So 225,250. Our interest rate, 0.06 divided by 12. That's going to give us the monthly interest rate divided by 1 minus 1 plus 0.06 divided by 12 raised to the negative 12 times 30. So you can enter this all in your calculator at one time. Let me show you how to do that. You're going to put in first 225,250, then parentheses 0.06 divided by 12 divided by parenthesis 1 minus open parenthesis 1 plus 0.06 divided by 12 close parenthesis caret for the exponent parenthesis negative 12 times 30 close parenthesis and one more close parentheses. Alright, so if you calculate that, you're going to get 1,350 and 49 cents. So we're dealing with money, so we're going to round to the nearest cents. Alright, so the key to solving this problem was knowing this formula, what to put in for PV, R, N, and T, and how to enter it into your calculator. So we found out our monthly payment is $13.50 and 49 cents. That's how much we're going to pay each month for 30 years. So our total, we multiply it by 12 months per year for 30 years. That's going to give us $486,176.40. All right, so that includes our loan of $225,250 and interest that we accumulated over the years. So if we subtract out our loan amount of $225,250, that gives us $260,926.40. So that's our interest that we paid over 30 years. Okay, which is almost basically the cost of the house. We almost bought a second house with the interest. So it's more advantageous to put down a bigger down payment, so you want to pay all this interest. So I hope this video helped you to figure out the monthly payment for a mortgage, the total cost of the mortgage, and what amount of that is interest.